7588 and my family. So when you first come in, you have these massive wardrobes, your life jackets, shelving, and one closet. And then you have hangers, a very large section over here. And then there's a space for your suitcases that you haven't unpacked yet. And then directly across from that is your bathroom. So it's your basic bathroom, storage, lots of storage in here. You've got pull-out drawers, cabinets, shower. So it's a basic bathroom. So in the Spacious, you do have a couch that you can either your toddler will sleep on, you can turn around, or it does pull out. Still pull out couch. You have a vanity, and my daughter's going to show you the cookies. You've got lots of storage again. Drawers, 3 drawers. Ooh, those sound bad. You've got more storage to the side with your safe, and you have your refrigerator. Moving on to the bed. It's your normal bed. Lots and lots of space to walk around. And then you get a nice size window to kind of sit in on. So this is your room 7558 on Grandeur the Seas.